Carolina Tony here, and today we are here at the Gatlinburg Chili Cook Off, and we're going to try some awesome chili. We're going to meet some interesting people and some interesting bears, and we'll get started right after this station identification. Well, it's just a little bit before 4 when we're able to go in with the VIP ticket. Thought I would walk down this way and give you a little overview of some of the booths that's set up, and they're making some good piping hot chili. There's a guy over there on the stage playing the doghouse bass. So there's a Gatlinburg Fire Department. I voted for y'all last year. Here is Donovan's Code 3 Chili of Cincinnati, and that's him back there.
Is that one of those disposable cameras?
Huh?
Is that one of those disposable cameras?
No.
What is that called?
We're going to try the traditional red chili. This is the kind without beans. Let's get Debbie's reaction trying vegetarian chili. Is it spicy?
No, not really. I mean, it is a little spicy, but not that.
Here we go, traditional red. That's pretty good.
Good.
Well, here we are. We are with one of my subscribers from where now?
Dawsonville, Georgia. Bill Elliott country.
All right.
Yes. Thank you, Tony, for your channel. We watch it all the time.
Thank you.
Subscriber.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. This is what makes the wheels turn.
Oh, it's awesome. Thank you, Tony.
Roaming around, and it looks like some of these YouTube people, they're over here filming, and they have look. This is a serious chili eater here. He has brought.
I want you to look what I got.
Leah,
Make sure they fit.
look at this. He has got a neck strap to hold his chili.
You ain't lying. Look, I didn't get this physique for nothing.
Spicy. No.
What is this?
That's white chicken chili.
White chicken chili.
Yeah.
Give that a shot. Okay, white chicken chili. It's pretty good. Chicken chili is really good. What you think?
It's good. Very good.
It's got beans in it, and corn, and carrots, and tomatoes, and chicken. Everything you need. Right, Regina Jones from Como?
Yes, sir.
Como, Mississippi. We're trying home style chili. Well, here we go. Oh, this is going to be hard to judge tonight. All right, next we're going to try Rodney Jones. I would imagine he's related some way to Rena. Yeah, there you go. This is what we're fixing to try right now. This is the 3rd place in the world. This is veggie chili. You could have had me fooled. It does not taste, it tastes like it's got meat in it. Now we're going to try something entirely different, and I imagine you got choices.
Yes.
What's my choice?
And we even have a veggie if you want one without meat.
That's veggie?
No.
That's veggie. What is this? Red. I want to try red. All right. This is red chili. So, you had chili yet?
What is chili?
This stuff here.
I've never heard of it. What's it? What is it? What is it? Is it an animal?
They take
Vegetable?
They take hot peppers and grind them up with tomatoes and meat and all kind of stuff.
Sounds good. Can I have some?
It's right behind me. Oh wow! Yeah, y'all need to go and check this guy's channel out. Just good friends, they pick your nose for you. Gatlinburg Fire Department, we're gonna give their chili a try. Now, you may automatically think the fire department's chili's gonna be on fire. It's got a good taste. You try. Pretty tomatoey. Look here, this is Brian with Visual the Boom, so V-Bot. But look at him. Is the man serious about what he does? Look. Look.
Huh?
That's professional eater.
It's working now, I'm telling you.
And you had to show your driver's license. Now we're going to try some chili from contestant number 15, the Gatlinburg Police Department. All right, the Gatlinburg Police Department. It's good chili. Well, now we're going to give Anakista, they're contestant number 4. We're going to give their chili a shot. All right, triple threat chili. Let's give it a shot.
Is it cheetah? You want the sour cream and the cheese?
Sure. Okay, it looks good.
Thank you.
Let's try some Margaritaville chili. Some Margaritaville chili. Let's see what it tastes like.
We got a Texas brisket chili with an avocado lime cream.
Can you do one without the avocado?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Texas brisket chili. Fantastic.
From Margaritaville.
Thank you.
At first I was worshiping leader in church and the girls got me into playing all this.
All right, we have Texas brisket chili.
So I hope you guys are having a good time and
Oh boy, that is good. That is good. Well, we're going to try contestant number 5, Fat Bear Tavern. And this looks interesting. This is, yeah.
Fat Bear Food.
Okay, this looks like it looks like a taco.
Easter Lane. But yeah, we have it set up like that. But you can get one without all this stuff if you don't want all that
This
stuff.
is good. This one, it kind of looks like a taco. Pretty good. It kind of tastes like a taco. Number 12, Hillbilly Cooking Adventure. I remember them from last year.
How you doing today, bro?
Doing good, man. Got smoked chicken and sausage. It's got fried cornbread on the top. All right, this tastes smoked, but look at this little cornbread. Isn't that cute? Well, here is WVLT, channel number 8. We're going to give their chili a shot.
Champions.
Here we go. Oh, look at this. Sugar baby. Oh, this is going to be good. This is not chili. This is not chili here.
No, it's not. It's dessert. It is banana pudding mini pancakes.
Okay.
We have lunch right here in case you don't want to eat.
A banana pudding mini pancake. I need one. Here we go. Oh boy. That is good. So this banana pudding, it has little mini pancakes in it. Now we're gonna try crawdaddies. Is this chili?
Yes, sir. No seafood involved, I promise. It'll be some of the best chili you got. Would you like some
All
fresh
right.
shredded cheese?
Sure.
There you go, my friend.
Getting into it. Here we go. Crawdaddies. That's a good chili. And there's a crawdad over there doing the dance. All right, there. They're getting in on this chili. I don't know what it is. Let's see what they've got. It's gotta be good.
Tower chili and
Let's
hummus with some
over,
green
What
corn.
it is? Let's see.
Old Smoky Moonshine. They have got a nice setup display for their chili. We're gonna try some.
Give me a cup so I can put crackers in.
Get to try the shine too.
There's moonshine in this.
Thank you. I like this. I think this so far this is my favorite. Oh, look, there's a bear walking around. It's cool. There's a bear. I can barely stand it. Well, that is going to do it for our trip to the Bush. I'm sorry, this is the Bush Beans dog. Duke. Well, that's going to do it for our trip to the, oh, that's so sweet. That's going to do it for our trip to the Gatlinburg Chili Cook Off and getting to meet Duke. We had a real blast. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day. Duke, can I have a kiss?